لغتي وفصحى والأمر لا يحتاج شرحا عربية لغتي وفصحى والأمر لا يحتاج شرحا.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdurrahman. I'm an American from New Jersey. I'm studying the Arabic language to understand the Holy Quran and the Sunnah. I chose Kalimah Center because they focus on speaking from the very beginning. They have their teachers are very experienced, helpful, friendly, but demanding. They offer PowerPoint lessons. They also provide each student with grammar books and exercise books. And they have exams for each level, and each level completed, they provide the students with certificates. I urge you, brothers and sisters, to try a free trial with Kalimah. They offer classes in Arabic language and the Quran for adults and children. I hope you, brothers and sisters, can benefit from these lessons that we've recorded. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
عربية لغتي وفصحى والأمر لا يحتاج شرحا.